We're going to Manapouri today.
Yeah.
We're at Te Anau and we're going to go on a jet boat. Not a regular boat, a jet boat. So we're going to go very, very fast. It's going to be a good adrenaline rush. As you can see, there is a helicopter behind me. Shit's insane. Today's going to be crazy. We're off.
Take turns if you like, so you don't take photos of the back. Whatever you First of all, pretty obvious, let's just stay seated, okay? Especially when we are at full speed down the river. Guys, no smoking on board. I will be pretty impressed if you can light one when we're going full speed down the river. When you see me doing this signal here, guys, very, very important. 2 hands on the rails.